I'm Michael Ross. This is my wife Ashley Ross, and this is our golden retriever, Maggie May Ross. I've been in the military for going on 12 years, United States Navy, and now currently a reservist. My rank is Senior Chief Petty Officer. I've been on 4 deployments, all overseas. My most recent one was in Djibouti, Eastern Africa, for approximately 15 months. I was fortunate enough to come back to this lovely home that my wife purchased while I was on deployment, and we've been working on it ever since.
This is the 4th year of the A.J.Perri Cares contest, the 17th installment. Today we're going to be doing a full system change out for him, 90% furnace, high efficiency 16 SEER air conditioning unit. We're going to be running new refrigeration lines from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit. A little bit of ductwork. We're going to be adding a supply and a return to his finished basement area. Then the new Nest thermostat, which is Wi-Fi capable. He'll be able to change the temperature, his heating and cooling from his phone basically anywhere in the world.
So we always listen to 107.1, and we have it on all the time at home and in our car, and we heard that they were doing a contest for veterans, and coincidentally enough, our HVAC unit was 20 years old when we bought the house. We were lucky that we've had it until now. It actually broke one day this summer. We slept in the basement for 2 days when it was about 98 degrees in our house. And we knew it was something that we'd have to replace, but we did definitely not have the budget to do so. So we actually pray every single day that it's gonna last. So I entered Michael. It was a contest to enter your favorite veteran, so I shared a little bit about his journey in the US Navy, how he came to buy this house, and why it would be so amazing if we won this contest, especially as a homeowner. Everybody, I'm sure, can attest to how expensive it costs to update your home. So the fact that we even got to the finals, him as a top 3, and you know, everybody that knows Michael loves him, so voted for him, and the fact that we won was, I think we're still in shock.
Absolutely. Truly humbled and blessed. A.J.Perri has been fantastic thus far. The field supervisor, Aaron, everybody at 101.7, and then our family and friends, and then my beautiful wife for even entering me and me being lucky enough to win this.
So we were actually living in Hoboken while Michael was waiting to be hired as a Hoboken firefighter. He actually got hired before he left for Africa on deployment. So while he was away, the only thing that he had asked is to come home to our first house.
I came home, went through demobilization, and came to this house, which we love. It needed a lot of work, but it's just such an amazing neighborhood, community, and home.
You know, Michael's such a giver, and to have him be in the US Navy and also a firefighter, it just attests to who he is as a person.
I love doing these jobs, specifically for the veterans. It's A.J.Perri's way of giving back to the community and specifically the veterans. They put their life on the line, and it's the least that we could do for them to make them comfortable in the summer months and also in the winter.